So there are some differences between the ARB or the neighborhood approval in a gated neighborhood and the town. Really, the neighborhood is really looking for color and operation style. You know, they want everything to kind of match the vibe of the neighborhood and the operation style. The town is really looking for code enforcement as far as making sure that the glass and all the things are meeting standards for the government standards for hurricane rated. So we do require approval for both of those. Generally, we know when we go into a neighborhood what is required, so we can help you through that process as well, knowing what colors and different things are required in each neighborhood. Obviously, on the island and in incorporated Bluffton, impact glass is required everywhere you go.